The OtterPro AirPress Swing Dual Station Heat Press is the ultimate partner for boosting productivity, whether it is for industrial workshops or home use. Its innovative dual station design doubles your efficiency with a common 40x50 chem heating platen. It is perfect for a wide range of garments. The smooth swing away design ensures a seamless workflow, letting you swing from one project to the next with ease.